This is a big blow to the deputy president after a high court declined to give out a conservatory order stopping his impeachment in the Senate. Remember, there are so many cases trying to challenge Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment. There is one case that his legal team were able to win in an high court, and Justice Lawrence Mugambi referred that case to the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, Lady Justice Martha Koome, to form a three-judge bench. Now, in Justice Mwita's opinion, he says that he cannot issue a conservatory order because an impeachment process, it is something that is delegated to Parliament by the Constitution, and this comes just a day after the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Kingi, made it very clear that there must be separation of powers to mean that the legislative arm of government will respect the judiciary and the judiciary will also respect the executive. So there must be respect between those three arms of the government. But what does this mean to Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya? Because from where I sit, I believe that his last hope is in the judiciary, and it will depend on how the Senate will preside over this issue and give their verdict on the same case, because that is the trial chamber. And I've heard it from so many senators saying that the National Assembly were able to impeach Rigathi Gachagua, not impeach, but to pass a resolution to impeach Rigathi Gachagua based on their own opinion. And by the way, if you take a look at how that process was conducted in the National Assembly, and one thing that I believe that can even give Rigathi Gachagua an upper hand in a court of law is the way public participation was carried out. That is a ground that Rigathi Gachagua can rely on because there was a rush. Remember, the High Court in Kerugoya gave an order to the Parliament, the National Assembly, to carry out public participation in 290 constituencies. And Speaker of the National Assembly did that on 5th October 2024, where he extended the public participation from 4th October to 5th October. Now, many Kenyans are arguing that there was not enough time for public participation to take place. So that is a rich ground that Rigathi Gachagua's legal team can depend on. But what does it mean to Rigathi Gachagua? How will the Senate determine that there was threshold in the National Assembly? Because this is something that even the Deputy President said that many members of Parliament were coerced to pass a resolution to impeach him. And that is why he is confident and having high hope that the judiciary will save him. This matter is not over yet. Remember, this is a political process, a painful political process. And I'm not a lawyer, but every legal mind in house can argue that the judiciary will always respect the other arm of the government because their function is to interpret the constitution and the laws that even comes from the legislative arm of government. And this is not a law, but this is a procedure. So their work will be to determine whether the process was followed to the letter. Was there public participation? They will have to do that. How was it done? Did Senate find Rigathi Gachagua guilty? That is what now will be left for the judiciary to interpret. But this issue of giving a conservatory order, I can see it is now not working for the son of Murima. But anyway, let us take a look at how members of Senate will vote in case. The reality on the ground is that some senators will be whipped in line with their parties. We cannot rule out that. That is the reality on the ground. ODM members, ODM senators, and those UDA senators that are allied to William Samoei Arap Ruto, I'm definitely confident that they will vote in support of Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment. And I see, even if Rigathi Gachagua is going to court to seek these orders, the reality on the ground still remains that there is a mistake it did by not making enough political friends, because this is a political process. I remember when the former president of United States of America, Donald Trump, he was impeached twice, but his party was able to save him, the Republican Party. But here comes a case, you will rush to court. It is in the constitution, it is your right, but you don't have numbers. You don't have numbers to challenge these people, because this is a political process where everyone is taking into consideration their interest. So do you want to tell me that Raila Odinga can save Rigathi Gachagua? The reality on the ground, it is no. Do you want to tell me that William Ruto can come to save Rigathi Gachagua after using his old videos as an evidence in Parliament? The reality on the ground is no. Even those people that are close to him, that is the reality of the ground. These people will not tell him the truth, but he has not made enough friends in the political arena to help him defend himself. He has got few friends in Mount Kenya region and some Rift Valley region, and Kalonzo Musyoka is coming in to defend him. And to me personally, this is my opinion. Kalonzo is not coming just to defend. Kalonzo is getting how he can prepare himself for 2027 politics, because he feels that Raila Odinga has betrayed him. So these all issues of going to court, trying to get conservatory orders, from what Amason Kingi said yesterday, I don't see a possibility of a court helping him right now. The court will only help Rigathi Gachagua after the Senate is done with this process. That I am 100%, I'm not 100% sure, but I can tell you that I'm 65% sure that the Senate will confirm the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. The only three people that can help him is William Samoei Arap Ruto, Raila Odinga, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, and maybe the court. That is where Rigathi Gachagua's hope must rely on. Anyway, guys, please let me know what you think in the comment section, and remember to subscribe and you turn on that notification bell. But I promise at the end of my videos, I shall be carrying out civic education. Now, what you need to do is to register as a voter. Once you register as a voter, you will be in a position to get leaders of integrity. And remember to demonetize politics as soon as possible. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.